Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is about the wiring tutorial of connecting the Chinowing T30 to the CUAV X7 Plus. Chinowing T30 Remote Control is an individual handheld data transmission monitoring system integrating remote control, data transmission and ground station. T30 is equipped with a touchscreen and intelligent monitoring system, suitable for security patrol drones, surveying and mapping drones and rescue drones. CUAV X7 Plus is a premium controller designed and produced by CUAV. It adopts the STM32H7 series processor, which has higher performance than Pixhawk FMU V5X, and integrates high-precision industrial-grade sensors and ultra-low temperature drift sensors. It supports ArduPilot and PX4 firmware. The X7 Plus series has better stability and immunity to interference. The video is divided into 3 parts. What products will be used in this test? How to connect the wires. How to demonstrate. What products will be used in this test? The products used include Chinowing T30 Remote Controller, Chinowing V31 Video Telemetry and Control Link, CUAV X7 Plus Flight Controller, and Tata 16,000 mAh battery. The cables used include Aviation Cable X7 Plus Flight Controller Telemetry Cable, X7 Plus Flight Controller RC Cable, X7 Plus Flight Controller Power Module, V31 Ground Module Power Cable, and V31 Air Module Power Cable. How to connect the wires. First, install the antenna on the V31 ground module, then use the aviation cable to connect the remote controller. The 3 white connectors are connected to the 3 ports on the ground module respectively. Serial connector connects to the first port. S. Bus 1 connects to the second port. S. Bus 2 connects to the third port. The aviation plug connects to the T30's antenna 1 port. Align with the red dot and insert downward. Install the antenna on the V31 Air module. Use the flight controller telemetry cable to connect the X7 Plus flight controller. The TTL RS-232 port on the V31 Air module connects to the TELEM-1 port of the X7 Plus flight controller. Connector type for TELEM-1, GH1.256 pin. Connector type for TTL RS-232, GH1.254 pin. Use the RC cable of the X7 Plus flight controller to connect the RC port of the X7 Plus to the S.Bus 1 port of the V31 Air module. Connector type for the RC port. DuPont 2.54mm 3-pin. Connector type for S.Bus 1 port. GH 1.25 4-pin. Connect the power module to the battery to power the X7 Plus flight controller. And then power on the V31 air and ground modules respectively. The power connector type for the V31 modules is XT30. How to demonstrate. Open the MP ground station in the T30 remote controller. Select COM6 port to connect. Move the flight controller, and you can see the ground station displaying the flight controller's status in real time. Click Settings, and in the radio calibration interface, you can see that the SBUS control works normally. The flight controller has been successfully connected to the T30 remote controller. This concludes the wiring tutorial video of connecting Chinowing T30 to CUAV X7 Plus. Thank you for watching and supporting. If you have any questions about the video or want us to explain certain parts in detail in future videos, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing more reviews, tutorials, and practical guides on drone equipment. See you in the next video.